So this was a very sort of metre wide grass strip where you can see the nice new organic compost. £5 a bag for 50 litres at Wickes, and it's very, very good. I haven't dug it in too much, I'll let the worms do the work. So I've lifted the grass. The grass is now in bags, sealed up. We've put in the different snowdrops, some with cages, just in case the cats come. Well, actually one specific cat. So I've covered the soil for a few nights in that wire. So it looks pretty cool. It'll stop Simon nagging me to cut it. I suppose you could argue that that size strip for wildflowers is just about impossible. It looks much better. Put a good evergreen in there from B&Q. A berberis powwow also from B&Q. A hebe there. And another deciduous shrub, which name escapes me. And all of these bits I've just taken from the garden, particularly the pulmonaria, because the hairy-footed flower bee loves it. And I've moved a few primroses, ordinary primroses that is. So that's it really. Once it beds in, I'll put a few more bits in. I quite fancy another evergreen circular shrub actually, so I'll do some work on that. Anyway, beautiful day today. Hope everybody had a good one. Lots of love.